Welcome everyone, here's how you insert a SIM card into Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the first step is we will need access to a SIM ejector tool. So this right here is from an iPhone. However, if you bought the Z Flip 4 new, you will see this little compartment in the box, and in this compartment, if you just open up this lid, you will have a SIM ejector tool to use. If you bought the Z Flip 4 used or refurbished, you will need to either use a pin, a SIM ejector tool from another device, or a paper clip which you bend out. The next step is you're going to find the left hand side of the Z Flip 4. You're going to see this little outline in the hole. This is where the SIM card tray is located. You're going to insert the thin side of the SIM ejector tool into the hole, okay? And then you're going to push down with a lot of force, and once you feel a click, you will release the pressure. So 3, 2, 1, 4, push, 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 and you feel that click. You see the SIM ejector tool is partially ejected, and now from here we can just use our fingernails to just pull out slowly the SIM card tray. So here is the deal. When it comes to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, you only could insert one physical SIM card. But this is a dual SIM device. I'll cover how you set up a second SIM card in the Z Flip 4 later on in this video. But for now, you just want to find the side of the Z Flip 4 SIM card tray, which has, you see this part here, which is like intruding, pushing down, and you also see this little ridge at the side. Just match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge of the SIM card tray. Just place them down. Make sure everything is flush. If you rubber cloth your finger, it should feel flush. Okay, and then from here, I'm just going to notice where the hole is on the tray and make sure it's in the same orientation as the hole in the actual phone itself. And once you're good to go, just push down. You saw there, the SIM card has actually gone a bit loose. So we'll place the SIM card back in the tray. And I'm going to grip the actual SIM card itself a little bit while pushing back in. And there we go, the SIM card is inserted. So in order to get dual SIM working, you need to open up the settings app. From here you're going to find connections. And then from here you want to find the SIM card manager. And you can see my SIM card is successfully now showing up in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, which I inserted physically. In order to add a second SIM card, you tap on Add Mobile Plan. And you're going to see Scan Carrier QR Code, tap on this one. And you just need to scan a QR code for your eSIM. So if you're a little bit confused or what on earth is going on here, eSIM is an electronic SIM, and you'll either get the QR code for eSIM via the mail, maybe they'll send you an email, or you'll have a physical piece of card with the QR code you just place in the frame. If you have a code, tap on enter activation code, and then enter this code right here, and then from there it will activate the eSIM. You can also convert your second physical SIM card into an eSIM by contacting your carrier. They may charge a little bit more, so just keep that in mind. But for the most part, most carriers shouldn't, just there are some odd exceptions. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.